Guru Nation, welcome back to another quick, short video. Look, guys, I actually get upset when I get messages like this because we don't know how good we have it when we are already in this industry, and we don't realize that we have the leverage, we being small sites, employees, during this time. All right. This is like the best it's ever been in clinical research, or at least in the 16 years I've been in. So today I got a question. Hey, Dan, um, I've been a CRC for almost 8 months. I've made a lot of mistakes. That's normal. It can be defeating at times, although I keep learning from them. And I think it's because I'm overloaded. I have 6 studies and responsible for everything: screening, patient workflow, regulatory data entry. Good, you're becoming a generalist. I was assigned with 2 more studies within 2 months, although my first study is being extremely complex. I have a lot of responsibility. I'm so overwhelmed. Is it normal to make mistakes within the first year? Yes. And then I replied, yes, it's normal to be overworked. I would either ask, talk to management, either ask for a raise or find a new site to work. They said, thanks. I'm curious if this is the case for other CRCs and if my site doesn't have good workflows in place. As there's a lot of turnover, I'm at a large academic and medical center where a lot of people have successfully moved to industry, but I'm not, and I haven't been so far. Just not sure how much longer I should stick around as things only get more challenging. I said, look, get out of there as quickly as you can. Private industry is the way to go. You have enough experience with 8 months for any site. If you can, tough it out maybe 4 more months, but put your resume on the market, put yourself on the job market, get talking with recruiters on LinkedIn. You know how many people, especially if you put all those skills, everything that you're doing, all the negatives that you're saying are actually positive. Those are skills that many coordinators at academic medical centers don't experience. So I replied, academic medical centers are the worst, and if you stay long enough, nobody else will want you. I have heard this from countless recruiters. It's tough when you work at an AMC your whole life and you try to go to private industry. It's like a whole nother planet, right? But in your case, you're lucky enough to see this early. You're also lucky enough to have the opportunity to do so many different things, and you have 8 months. You're right at that place where you can make the transition. They said, thank you. I'm finding being a coordinator more challenging than expected, although I'm learning to become a generalist. You're on your way to do that. I hate to come across as someone who does not like AMCs, but I gotta go with what I've dealt with, what I've personally experienced, and what I've heard from others that I respect in the industry. That's not the place for everybody. Doesn't sound like that's the place for you. Private industry is the way to go. You have all the leverage as the employee. There's a shortage of employees right now. You have all the leverage as an experienced coordinator. Revise your CV, go out there, network, and make it happen. Before the year's over, you can get a CRC position at a company that you will like and that you can grow further with and at a more reasonable workflow pace, I think. And if not, you can move again. This is the beauty of clinical research. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Bye bye.